Albert and Line both help users access money when they need it, but they are built around different financial tools. Albert focuses on cash advances, saving, and money management features, while Line focuses on providing access to funds through its app. By the end, you'll know how Albert and Line compare on features, fees, and which app fits different money situations. The main difference is how each app helps you manage short-term financial needs. Albert is designed as a financial support app that combines money management tools with access to cash advances for eligible users. It focuses on helping users understand their finances while providing options for accessing money. Line takes a more focused approach by providing access to money through its app. The features, availability, and costs can depend on your account and eligibility. First, compare what you can use each app for. Albert is useful for people who want more than just an advance. Its app includes financial tools that can help users monitor their money and manage their spending. Line is better understood by looking at the specific access options available to your account. Users should review what features they qualify for before deciding if it matches their needs. Next, compare the experience. Albert is built around combining financial guidance with money access. That means users looking for budgeting support and cash advance options may prefer its approach. Line is focused more directly on accessing available funds. Someone who mainly wants a simple way to handle a short-term money need may prefer a more focused app experience. Fees are another important comparison point. The cost of using either app depends on the services available to you and the terms shown in the app. Review the fee details before using any advance or financial feature. The better choice depends on your goal. Choose Albert if you want an app that combines cash access with broader money management tools. Choose Line if you are mainly looking for an app that provides access to funds and its available features match your situation. Before choosing, compare eligibility requirements, available features, and costs inside both apps. Your account details will determine which option works better for you. To summarize, Albert focuses on combining financial tools with cash access, while Line focuses on providing access to money through its app. Compare the features you actually need, check the costs, and choose the option that fits your financial habits. Subscribe for more simple comparisons of popular money apps.